This is step 2 in preparing for a visit with the Andrews University Physical Therapy Clinic. After making a user account, refer to the video posted previously if you haven't yet made your user account, navigate back to the Andrews University Physical Therapy Clinic homepage. In the navigation bar on the left side, you'll find a patient login and payment link. Follow this link to log into your account by scrolling down to Log in to my account. Once you log into your account, you will find your home page. To schedule an appointment, click the Schedule button. On the left side of the page, click the Schedule an Appointment or Class button. Select the service that best suits your needs. Most often, your first scheduled service will be the discovery call. If you have already determined with a provider that a full physical therapy evaluation is appropriate for you, select the Evaluation option. Follow-up visit is only available to patients who have already completed an evaluation. Scroll through the available time slots to choose the time that best suits you. Click on your chosen time slot to add it to your details. Review the appointment details on the left side of the page to verify accuracy. You may choose to add a note for the therapist, but this is not necessary. Once you have verified all appointment information, click Book to finalize your appointment. We're excited to meet with you. See the following video for instructions on how to pay for services at the Andrews University Physical Therapy Clinic.